There. Welcome to this video explaining how we'll be using Teams to support remote learning at Norristhorpe. To begin with, you can go using any browser to teams.microsoft.com. If you're using a tablet device, you may need to download Teams from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. Your child's username is usually their first name and the initial of their last name, or the first two letters or three letters of their last name. And that's at norristhorpeschool.org.uk. And if there are any problems, check carefully that Norristhorpe School is spelt right, as this is quite a common word to get wrong. Your password is usually a series of letters and some numbers. You can choose whether to stay standard or not. If you're using your own computer, which you sometimes use Teams with your own account, you may want to use incognito mode. And I'm going to use the web app, but you're more than welcome to use the Windows app as well. From here, I'll be able to see the classes. Don't worry about the students one for now. You'll be able to see the class for your child. So I'm going to go to class year 6. In the post, you'll be able to see any scheduled meetings. Now, for classes, this would either be that the class would be continuing and your child would be visiting the class from home and attending a normal lesson. If that's the case, the teacher will be able to see your child on an iPad, your child will be able to see the teacher, and hopefully you'll be able to interact in much the same way your child would do in the classroom. You'll be able to see the meetings here, you'll be able to click on one and be able to join it. If a meeting's already in place, a nice big join meeting button will come up. In the file section will be any files which your class teachers thought would be useful. And in the assignments button will be any activities which should be assigned for your child to do whilst they're working from home. In there may be some work to complete, or you may be asked to provide your own work. Sometimes there may be a PDF document which unfortunately can't be edited, so it may be worthwhile your child doing the work on paper or via a Word document. If it's via paper, it would be really great if you could upload a picture of that. You can do that by clicking the Add Work button and then Upload from this device. Or if it's to create a new Word document, you can do that through New File. Having Word, PowerPoint or Excel available, give it a name. And you can click on it to add into your work. Anything you type here will be saved into the cloud, so your child can close the document and return to it later if needs be. Sometimes your teacher will start a document for you to finish, like we have here. When this is complete, you can click the hand in and it will be sent to your teacher, who will be able to give some feedback. And that's the main points there. So logging in, viewing posts, files, and then assignments. At the moment, we're hoping to only use this software when a child is self-isolating or where a cohort needs to self-isolate, so that they can continue to access any lessons which are taking place in school where those are appropriate, and to be signposted to appropriate work to complete. And this work will be alongside the useful activities we've been doing so far, such as Purple Mash, Right Rose Maths, the BBC and Oak National Academy.